Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can log into Capital One Bank's online banking. But before we learn to do that, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this and don't forget to leave a like on this video. So let's get started. So you open your browser, you go to Google and you search for Capital One Bank. And then you'll go to CapitalOne.com. This is the official website of the bank. And once it loads, right here up in the top, you can see this option, this username, password. You enter your username over here, then you will enter your password over here, and then you'll click on sign in. And once you do that, you'll be logged into your account and you can start your online banking. But if you have not yet registered or signed up for online banking, you will not be able to do this. For that, you will have to register. And we have a different video for that one. You can go check that out and it will help you. So it's very easy to log in, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this helps you. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos. And don't forget to leave a like. Thanks for watching. Bye.